Okay, so what's up, people? You're watching the C++ programming tutorials, and hope you are gonna enjoy this because this is going to be fun, and it is going to be a friendly tutorial series in which we can interact and we can learn at the same time. So I'm sorry, I was refreshing it quite quickly, I suppose. So let's get rid of that and get on to the C++. Okay, so for what you need, I'm sorry, let me introduce myself. I am Raj, and I will be throughout with you in this C++ series. And so what you need in this what you need for C++ programming is, first thing is an IDE, or an environment in which you can start developing your applications. So the links, the types of IDE are, or rather the examples of IDE are Code Blocks, which is installed right here, and Dev C++, and many others are there. And I refreshed it one more time. Okay, so for downloading the Code Blocks IDE, the links are given on my blog. There are Windows links and Mac links and other links. You can use whichever you like, or whichever you have rather. So after downloading and installing the Code Blocks, it will open it like this, and Code Blocks comes with pre-installed compiler. So a compiler, I would like to give a few details about a compiler. Most of you might be knowing that a compiler is in English terms, a compiler is anything which takes the code which we write in an IDE and it converts it into machine readable form, or zeros and ones. So in case of Code Blocks, we are lucky that we don't have to install the compilers separately, and they come installed within it. So for starting our first new C++ project, as usual, we click on create a new project. Window occurs or appears, whatever. So you need to select console application in this, because right now we'll have to limit ourselves to console applications, because they are the simplest form of the applications, and the others have a lot of pre-built codes in them, which we will learn later. I promise which we will learn them later. So and after, once the series is over, I'm sure you will be able to create a lot of games and softwares and all that, whatever you want. So click on the console applications. That was the sweet part of it. And click on go. Make sure you select your language as C++, because that is what we are doing right now. It won't make sense to select C, so C++. Give your project title like Mew or something. Meow. Sorry. Make sure your compiler is GNU GCC compiler, because that's what goes with this Code Block stuff. So make sure this compiler is set up, and click finish. The project will be built, and nothing will appear first, but you need to go to this sources folder, which contains all our C++ source file, which is right now only one, because we haven't created any source file other than the default which was built along with this project. So if you open this main C++ file by double click, what the hell is happening? By double clicking, okay, thank god it opened. So by double clicking, you can see that for writing the simplest, I'm sure this is the simplest program which you can write, and for writing the simplest program it took 9 lines of code. So, and I think, and I'm quite sure those who are seeing it for the first time, they'll be thinking, oh my god, include in between these parentheses IO stream, which language we're using, namespace, int, main, code, oh my god. Okay guys, don't worry, because in the coming days I will be explaining these each and every lines in detail, so, and in very simple English, so that each and everybody of our viewers will be able to understand, and they will be able to feel the C++, so that they can do anything they can make the computers do anything they want. So right now bear with me and do whatever I do, like maybe like this. Okay, so we now click on build and run, so that this program is compiled by the compiler and the output is displayed in this output window. This is called a console window, and the main aim of this program was to print this hello world message, which it has printed successfully. I suppose hello world, you can see, along with an exclamation mark. There's some more shit around here, or crap, or whatever you call it. You don't need to care about that. So if this appeared, then CodeBlocks has been installed successfully, and you are ready for the coming days, in which we will do extensive discussions and tutorials on the C++ programming language. And I suppose you'll be joining me in the next tutorials as well. So thank you guys for reading my blog and watching my tutorials. Please like my videos, and for the promotion part, please like my videos and maybe my blogs and all that, and share and all that. Thanks for watching again, and be back for the next tutorials. Thanks a lot.